Good morning students. Today we are doing work for gold foil experiment that is done by the scientist Rutherford. He has taken one gold foil, yellow colored gold foil. Then he has taken one circular path disc, that is the detector of any type of radiation. Then one small box. In this box there was the source of alpha particle. Actually alpha particles are positively charged particle. Now his experiment we can explain with a small thing. To explain this experiment we have taken one cotton ball, soft spherical cotton ball. In this cotton ball at the center there is a blue colored hard particle. Okay, this is in the center. Look at the picture now. In this picture you will see that dense spherical blue colored hard particle and the very soft cotton ball sphere we have taken, which we can compare with the atom. Now suppose bullets will bombard over this cotton ball. What will happen? In this slide you will see that many of the bullets which are hitting to the soft cotton ball, they will pass through the straight line, black colored straight line you are observing. Suppose few bullets are hitting at the corner of blue colored hard particle, then what will happen? They will deviate with their path. In the same manner, bullet, suppose they will be bombarded in the center of this blue colored dense particle. What will happen? They will rebounded towards the source. Red colored lines you are observing for the rebounded bullets. Okay, this whole bullet experiment that is comparable to the Rutherford's experiment. You will see in the Rutherford experiment also many of the alpha particles were passed through and they remain at the center, and they came from the source and straight forward they have passed the yellow colored gold foil. Then few particles were deviate. These are the deviated particle from their path. Then only few particles they were bounced back towards the source. So this is about the Rutherford's experiment. Now let us continue. Again one more figure which will give clarification about the Rutherford's observation, that most of the alpha particle passed straight through the gold foil without any deflection from the original path. A few alpha particles are deflected, white colored line. These are the few alpha particles. These are deflected through small angle and few are deflected with large angle. Some are at small angle and some are at large angle. Okay. Now only some very few alpha particles completely returned on hitting the gold foil and turned back to their path. You are observing this white colored particle which is turned back after hitting the center of atom. Okay, the observation will be studied on the two-dimensional diagram. In this two-dimensional diagram, you are observing the straight lines. These are the straight lines which have passed the atoms, because atoms have very large space which is hollow. Okay, the conclusion, the first observation, that many particles have straight passed the atom, which concludes that so much space of the atom is blank, nothing is there. Now Few are the radiations which are deviate at the small angle, which is showing that there must be hard particle and which should be also the same, which should carry the same charge as the alpha particle contains the charge. So he has concluded that as alpha particles are positively, must be repulsion of the alpha particle with the positively charged hard particle which is centered in the atom. It means Rutherford told that maximum part of the atom is blank. At the second point, by observing the deviation in the alpha particles path, he told that that particle should be positively charged. He named this particle as nucleus. When he saw that some particles are bounced back, when these particles, alpha particles, are hitting at the center of nucleus, then due to high repulsion they are bounced back again to the source. Okay, so then the scientist Rutherford, he told that, here also one more diagram to explain, that black colored lines are showing which gave the influence, or which from which we can conclude that most of the space inside the atom is empty. Then the blue colored deviated lines, they will say that positive charge occupies a small space inside the atom, and this positively charged part called nucleus. Then highly positively charged means Thomson model was totally failed after this experiment. Suppose we are observing that Thomson model is correct, then all alpha particles must show the same type of behavior. Different type of behavior was seen. It means the atom's structure is not like plum pudding model. Atom's structure should be different. That structure was explained by the scientist Rutherford, known as hypothesis by Rutherford. The very first point of Rutherford's model, that there is a positively charged center in an atom called nucleus. Nearly all the mass of an atom resides in the nucleus. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in the circular part, which are negatively charged, and by hitting these electron and negative charge, the alpha particle were radiated. The third point of the hypothesis by Rutherford, that the size of nucleus is very small compared to the size of atom. That's all about the Rutherford experiment.